Hi Libras, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Libras, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, Libras, we are picking these cards, guys. If you like this reading and if it resonates, Libras, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card love reading right after this general energy, guys. So you can stay tuned for that reading, guys. That may give you clarity or answer some questions you have about your circumstances, Libras. So let's start with these cards here. We have Four of Pentacles in reverse, Chariot in reverse, and Justice in reverse. So, Libras, in your situation, guys, in your work situation or in your relationship, you are seeing some delays, some kind of suspensions, maybe your projects, something that was something not happening in the expected timeline. So, maybe some difficulty and you feel lost or you feel a lot stressed because of this negative outcome in your work situation, guys, or maybe in this relationship, this person you love, maybe circumstances are something unexpected and you have proposed to them for marriage or engagement, but this person has not answered, guys, for some of you. So again, you are a lot worried whether this person likes you or not. So some kind of lack of certainty in your relationship or in your work situation. So you don't know where things will go or what will happen. And you are someone who is really skilled, talented, you have a lot of experience, and you have your own way of doing things. You have your ideals and beliefs. So, you want to stick to your rules and go by the book, whatever you believe in. But this person is someone different and they have their own rules and they have their own ideals, guys. And you cannot expect them to listen to you each and every time. So that may be the reason they are not interested in committing deeply to you, or they are, really disturbed by your by you holding on strongly to your rules and ideals, maybe your severity, your stubborn nature. So that is what is causing a lot of worries or anxious circumstances in this relationship. They do not want to be with you because you are quite severe, rigid. You don't want to be flexible, you don't want to adjust to this other person. So that may be the reason for some troubles in this relationship, guys. And even in your career situation, you have your own way of dealing your situation. People with you, your colleagues or people who work for you, they may see you as someone excessively severe. So that is the reason for troubles in your life today, guys, Libras. So that is the reading with these cards, Libras. Thank you for watching. If you want clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Libras. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. so that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading, guys. So after a few seconds, guys. Okay, guys, so now let's start the reading. So for those who chose the first card, I will keep the second card aside. For this card, we will see what it is. It is the Little Mermaid, sacrifice. So when you get this card in a reading, guys, it just means that you are on the way to make an enormous sacrifice. You are considering maybe, and you are restricting your true voice. You are not speaking what you truly feel, and you are doing that in order to gain that acceptance from someone or avoid conflict. And you are giving up your emotions, maybe trying to fit yourself in your circumstances, in your environment. And maybe it is totally uncomfortable for you, painful for you, and you are feeling really heavy, ill at ease. You don't know what to do. You feel really uncomfortable and not at home and feeling really awkward, making these changes that are not true to your emotions or true to your heart. So instead of making such sacrifices which are really painful for you, which are not what you are trying to change yourself to something which is not the truth, guys. So this self sacrifice is only taking you towards more pain and sadness. And maybe in the long run, you may earn the other person's pity but never love. So you need to understand that you should never deny your heritage, your talents, skills, and your abilities, your beautiful abilities. That is what is going to make you more lovable and true to yourself. So trying to change yourself is not going to help you in any way, guys. It is going to create more pain for you, and that is not the truth. You are trying to live a lie, so that is not going to take you anywhere, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So we should stand for the truth, what we honestly are, and when we build our relationship on that honesty, it is going to work. But when we change ourselves to something which we are not, and when we build that relationship on that lie, that relationship will move towards pain and more sadness, guys. So that is the reading with this card, guys. So let's see what is the second card. So for those who chose this card, the second card, it says courage. So with this card, it just means self-determination and conviction, having confidence in ourselves and standing for what we truly believe in. So standing firm for ourselves does not mean controlling or ignoring others, but for determining what is not up for negotiation. So certain things we truly believe in, we must stand for it, guys, and we must never compromise on our beliefs and ideals. That is what this card is about. So when we do that, when we have that self-determination, finding that purpose, we encourage the other person also to do the same. So we must be compassionate towards others, and we can listen to their beliefs or ideals, but never ever give up your convictions, your own convictions or belief. So that is what this card is about, guys. So we must be able to hold on to what we truly believe in, stand strong, stand confident and courageous. So that is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.